Hey everyone, my name is Manju and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to try Priyanka Chopra's saree tutorial with just 3 steps and with just 3 safety pins. I hope I enjoy this challenge and I hope you all enjoy this challenge as well. And she is a diva and she's gorgeous. Whatever she does it perfectly. So I just want to give it a try. So yeah, let's start it. And before start the challenge, I will call it a challenge. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribe, or if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider to subscribe, share and put a thumbs up, put a big fat thumbs up. So yeah, let's start it. we enjoy the challenge a lot. It is, I mean, we are currently enjoy the challenge. I hope you enjoy the challenge as well. So bye for now. Thanks for watching. If you like it, put a thumbs up, share, and consider subscribe. Bye. Ching 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 ching.